Hello everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. So we're doing an overhead unboxing today. My AC is out. I live in Southwest Florida. It's freaking sweaty in here, so I don't want the lights on me, and I don't think you want to see that either. So we're just going to look at all the contents in one of my favorite boxes, Goddess Provisions. This is the July box. I haven't even cracked it open. Sometimes I peek because I can't help it. I get so excited. So we're going to open this live together. I love Goddess Provisions. If you guys have been around, you know this. I will link them down below. This is a monthly subscription. It costs $33. But I do have a code with them and a link I will leave down below. I believe that saves you $5 off your first box, or it might be 10%. I think they just switched it, one of the two. I'll leave that below, but definitely take advantage if you're interested in this box. You have about, well, it depends on when you're watching this. Usually they sell the box until around the 16th or 17th of the month unless they sell out. So if you like this and you're a new subscriber, be sure to use that to save some money. It's so worth it. You get so many good items, high quality. I feel like my whole place is like God's Provisions now. I love it. It's spiritually themed. There's always a theme each month actually, and all the items inside go with it. You get crystals, rituals, so many amazing items. I just can't rave about it enough. And they also are very eco-friendly, cruelty free. They plant a tree for every box sold. They have a loyalty program. The boxes are all recyclable and recycled material. Everything about them and what they stand for I support. So yeah, link below. Let's get started. Move this over here. Let's see what we got. So it comes with all the information on it. Also doubles as an art print. Rising with the sun, resting with the moon. This is so beautiful. Yeah. The theme is morning and evening rituals. That goes with this. This is so pretty. I hang some up. One's actually on my tarot desk right here. So yeah, we get a decent amount of items. And look, there's something about a ritual here. I'm just going to put this to the side so we can reference it as we go along. Let's start with this since I can see it poking on. It looks so cute. Is this a little candle or what is this? How beautiful is that? This is Celestial Dream Pillow in Tin. Ooh, okay, let's, oh good, I have the scissors right here. Oh, Emmy, don't, she just found something with like adhesive on it. She's like, Emmy, don't. It's, you know, like mailer bags, how they have like the sticky part on it. She's trying to get that. Emmy, please don't. Emmy is my adorable calico baby, if anyone was wondering what I'm talking about. Okay, so it's a Celestial Dream Pillow in Tin. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. So cute. Oh, I can smell this, I think. Is it like a lavender sachet? This is so beautiful. Let's read it here. So this has a retail value of $19. Experience the captivating duality of day and night in this tin. Emmy. I don't know if you guys can hear her. But experience the captivating duality of day and night in this tin with dark, moody hues paired with vibrant bursts of color. Discover a dream pillow filled with a harmonious blend of lemon balm, rosemary, mugwort, and hops. Ooh, yeah, I totally smelled that lemon. I just made some tea. It's right here with lemon in it, so I thought that's what I was smelling. It promotes stress relief, deep sleep, lucid dreaming, and peacefulness. I make mugwort tea at night most nights. I am loving this. I'm totally going to put this in my bedroom. And I love that you can put it in this beautiful little tin after you use it. How cute is this? So this is by God's Provisions. Love it. Starting off with a bang. And then let's go right into this. Looks like we have a crystal here. I don't know what this is just by looking at it. Ooh, isn't that a cool shade of green? Raw crystals, love. Let's read about it. Oh, this isn't the only crystal. We get two. This is lemon dendrite. Ooh, $7 value. Embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery with this mesmerizing gemstone that invites you to amplify your intuition, clarity, and spiritual growth. Allow the vibrant energy of the lemon dendrite to uplift your spirit, promote positivity, and awaken your inner radiance. So cool. I have a very vast, massive, could say, crystal collection, and I love that we get some unique crystals in here. So cool. Is this a deck? Oh no, it's incense. Okay, I gotta look. So if you guys don't know, by the way, I have a second channel called Kitty Rising, and it's a tarot channel mostly. I do tarot pick a card, zodiac readings. I would love it if you checked it out if you're into that. I will link it down below. But I'm super excited about this too, even if it's not a deck. Sacred Smoke Rope Incense. I love rope incense. I don't have any like right at this moment. Well, now I do. Sandalwood, holy basil, and cardamom. Oh my god, this sounds lovely. There's 25 incense ropes plus a holder. Cool. So this is by God's Provisions, and it looks like in partnership with Stupa Incense. This is an $18 value. How cute. You like pull it out of this. Or that's like a little closure, is that button? Okay, let me get this open. I have to smell. If I can't. There you go. This box is so cool. Okay, so you like twist this around. That is so cool. Oh, what does it say here? I honor the plants and their sacred gifts. This incense was handcrafted with love in Nepal using ancient Buddhist techniques, gentle aromatherapy, non-toxic and natural. Each rope burns approximately for 30 minutes, keeping a dry place free of moisture. Ooh, they're purple. Oh, okay, I need to take a sniff. This does smell good. It's a light scent, but that's good. And then here's a little holder for it. Cool. Oops, sorry, I'm not centered. I'm super excited about this. I don't know why this is like so awesome to me, but I love this packaging. And then let's look at our next stone. We have some fuchsite. Beautiful. So $7 value. Delve deeper into your inner realms and foster emotional healing, inner growth, and connection with the divine. Experiencing the calming energy of fuchsite as it unveils the hidden wisdom within and helps you manifest your highest potential. Love it. And next, not sure what this is. Is this going to be like an eye mask or something? Let's see. Oh, cool. It's reusable cotton cleansing pads, $9 value. So you have this bag, and then inside you get 3 of these. These are nice. I've had these in the past, but I don't think I have any at this moment. And this is really eco-friendly. And these are, I love the colors. So elevate your makeup routine with a set of 3 machine washable black makeup rounds, elegantly finished with a purple edge. I love that purple. Pro tip: conveniently store and launder in the included mesh bag. Oh, you can put this. Oh, so awesome! Yay! And we're not done. What else is in here? 2 more things. Cheeky Botanica Cruz Azul Brightening Toner. Oh my god, you can use the little cotton cleansing pads with this. How convenient. How cute is this? It says this purifying facial toner is formulated to tighten and tone even the most sensitive skin types. Shake well and apply lovingly to fresh cleansed skin for a truly refreshing experience. Wow, so I'm like big into skincare, but I don't have a toner currently in my routine, so I'm super excited about this. Are my nails looking dirty? I think it's like from herbs. But yay. So this is $36. And there is a code. When there's items from other companies, they often have promo codes. So if, I've had something from this brand before, probably from God's Provisions, and I really liked it. I can't remember exactly what it was, but I remember the brand name because it stood out to me. Code Goddess saves 25% at cheekybotanica.com. And then there's this little book. What is this? So the Magic Zodiac Insight Volvel. Is that how you say that? $11 value. Unlock the secrets of the cosmos with this ingenious tool that combines the phases of the moon and the wisdom of the zodiac signs to offer profound guidance. Simply rotate the volvel, I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing anything, to align with the current moon phase and discover illuminating insights. So we just had a full moon, so we're now waning. Okay, let's get this open. I'm so intrigued. seen these before. So it tells you like what the moon phases mean, and then you can put it the zodiac sign. So we said a full moon in Capricorn. We'll just use that. I know it's waning now, but where's the full moon? Up here. And then so then you can look and see what this says, like for full moon. Celebrate wins and release. Celebrate wins and release losses. Dance to release energy, let go of emotional baggage, and chill out. And then Capricorn, it gives you some keywords: traditional, cautious. Get into boss mode. Reevaluate your values and rely on your rituals. This is super cool and a great way to learn about moon phases and zodiac signs if you're a beginner, but it's also fun for someone like me who is well versed in this stuff. Awesome. I think that's everything. You guys, I always love God's provisions so much. I highly recommend this to anyone who's spiritual, both newbie and advanced. I love the items. They're high quality. They're beautiful. It's such a fun experience opening this. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Do you guys get God's provisions? Do you enjoy this box? I'm trying to think right now what my favorite item is. I would love to hear from you. The incense, I'm totally going to light one soon. I like everything. This is super cute. I always have a hard time with favorites. Oh, I'm really excited to learn more about this too, this lemon dendrite. But I love it all. I'll use every item, every single one. So I think that's great. I don't always say that or think that, and that doesn't always end up happening with my subscription boxes. With God's provisions, it does. I love this box. So I will link them down below along with promo code. Thank you guys so much for being here. I truly am so grateful for each and every one of you. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment. And if you haven't already, I would truly appreciate it if you checked out my second channel, Kitty Rising. And if you guys are into tarot and all of that, I am open for tarot readings. You can email me, or you can first check out my free tarot videos to see if our energies resonate. But yeah, just thought I'd let you guys know. I love you so, so much. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.